Have you ever picked up a rock and been amazed by its sparkle? It's like holding a tiny piece of the night sky. Some rocks just seem to have an inner light, a hidden fire that makes them shimmer and shine. But have you ever stopped to wonder why some rocks sparkle while others stay dull? The answer lies in the fascinating world of minerals and light. Rocks are made up of different minerals, and some of these minerals have special properties that make them interact with light in amazing ways. Today, we're going to explore the science behind these sparkly treasures and learn where to find them. Get ready for an adventure because the Earth is full of amazing rocks just waiting to be discovered. So, put on your explorer hat, grab your magnifying glass, and let's get started. To understand why some rocks sparkle, we need to understand how light works. Light travels in waves, and when it hits a surface, it can do a few different things. It can bounce off, be absorbed, or pass right through. When light bounces off a smooth surface, like a mirror, it reflects in a single direction. This is why we see a clear reflection. But when light hits a rough or uneven surface, like the surface of many rocks, it reflects in many different directions. This is called diffuse reflection, and it's what makes most objects visible to us. Some minerals, however, have a special structure that makes them reflect light in a more organized way, resulting in a noticeable sparkle. Minerals like mica, quartz, and pyrite are great examples. Mica is made up of thin, flat layers that reflect light like tiny mirrors. Quartz has a crystal structure that can create flashes of light as it's rotated. And pyrite, also known as fool's gold, has a metallic luster that reflects light very strongly, giving it a dazzling golden shine. Some rocks don't just sparkle, they shimmer with a rainbow of colors. This fascinating phenomenon is called the Schiller effect, and it's caused by the interference of light waves within certain minerals. One of the most famous examples of Schiller is labradorite, a type of feldspar mineral. Labradorite can display a dazzling array of colors, including blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, that seem to shift and change as you move the stone. This is because the light waves are bouncing off different layers within the mineral, creating interference patterns that produce different colors depending on the angle of observation. The Schiller effect can be seen in other minerals as well, including moonstone, which displays a soft milky blue sheen, and sunstone, which sparkles with tiny metallic inclusions that create a glittery effect. Some rocks take sparkle to a whole new level. They don't just reflect light, they seem to glow from within, especially when exposed to ultraviolet light. This is called fluorescence, and it's a truly mesmerizing phenomenon. Fluorescence occurs when a mineral absorbs UV light and then immediately releases that energy as visible light. This happens because the electrons in the mineral are excited by the UV light and jump to a higher energy level. When they fall back down to their normal state, they release the extra energy as light, causing the mineral to glow. Some of the most famous fluorescent minerals include fluorite, calcite, and willemite. Fluorite can fluoresce in a range of colors, including blue, purple, green, yellow, and white. Calcite often fluoresces in shades of red or orange. Willemite glows bright green under UV light, creating an almost otherworldly effect. Now that you know all about the science behind sparkly and glowing rocks, you're probably itching to find some of your own. The good news is, you don't have to be a professional geologist to find these natural wonders. One of the best places to start your rock hounding adventure is in your own backyard or a local park. Look for areas where the ground has been disturbed, such as construction sites or freshly dug gardens. You can also try searching in riverbeds and streams where rocks are constantly being tumbled and polished by the water. Beaches are another great place to find sparkly rocks, especially after a storm, when the waves have churned up new treasures. If you're feeling more adventurous, you can even try searching for rocks in volcanic regions. Volcanic rocks often contain unique minerals that can create stunning displays of color and sparkle. Just remember to be safe and wear appropriate clothing and footwear when exploring these areas. So, get out there and start exploring. You never know what amazing discoveries await you in the natural world. And when you find that perfect sparkly rock, take a moment to appreciate the science behind its beauty. It's a reminder that even the most ordinary-looking objects can hold hidden wonders, just waiting to be discovered. See you in the next video! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe, like and share,